Hi there! Check out the Singer Sewing Basket with a complete sewing kit including needles, thread, scissors, and notions. This large basket features a stylish Victorian Pets print in black, white, and yellow with a bonus notions pack. Inside, you'll find a tape measure, deluxe seam ripper, 4 25-yard spools of thread, 8.5-inch comfort fabric scissors, needle threader, thimble, and matching needles on a magnet. The basket has a collapsible handle for easy travel and storage, making it perfect for beginners or on-the-go sewing projects. It offers interior storage with a removable tray insert for organizing your favorite supplies neatly. Measuring 10.25 by 7.5 inches and standing 6 inches tall, it provides ample space for all your sewing essentials. Whether starting out or adding to your collection, this sewing basket keeps everything tidy and accessible. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.